Let's make bread using the bread maker. This is quick and easy. You're going to pour the milk into the pan. I like to use a bread maker because it is easy, it is quick. You're going to take your bread flour and pour it over the milk. You're not mixing it into the milk, you're just pouring it over the milk. Pour in your sugar, then your salt. Kind of level everything out. And give the pan a little tap to help settle the ingredients. Then you're going to make a well in the center, pushing the excess dry ingredients kind of up into the corners. Take your yeast and put it in the center of the well. Then you're going to take your quartered butter and put one piece into each corner of the pan. Lock your bread pan into place. And each bread maker is going to have its own settings. I did use rapid yeast, so I set it according and let it cook. Now to get your bread out of the pan, there's a paddle at the bottom of the pan and it will kind of hold onto the bread, so don't be afraid to tap it. I like this very end piece right here that I'm about to cut off. I love that with some butter and a little bit of honey. And there you have it, bread.